Hi everyone, look at this. This is not a normal Arduino. This is the new Arduino Uno Q. This board combined with Linux AI processing and real-time microcontrolling in a single board. Here you can see the Qualcomm processor QRB2210 processor. This is used for AI and Linux. In the top side you can see LPDDR4 RAM and in the bottom side you can see eMCC storage chip. Just like a normal mini computer. And here you can see STM32F585 microcontroller. This handles real-time controlling like sensor, motors, RoboTics arm and actuators. In the top of Arduino you also get Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.1, USB-C, camera support and high-speed internet connectivity. So for using this board you can make different type of project like face recognition, object detection, robotic dog and industrial IoT project. Total 14 digital pin including 6 PWM pin, 6 analog pin with power pin, a quick I2C connector, you can connect multiple third-party sensor, a inbuilt matrix LED. Arduino App Lab is the recommended software to program the Arduino Uno Q. So this is our Arduino App Lab. After connecting the Arduino with App Lab, you will find network mode or USB mode. So click on network mode. Now I enter my Linux account password. After login, you can see the multiple bunch of example code. In this video, I will cover some basic example like LED blinking with web. So first I click on LED blinking code. Make sure board is connected with laptop and click on run button. After uploading the code successfully, you can see onboard red LED is blinking. So now try example number 2. Blink LED with UI. You don't need to do anything, just click on run button. After code upload, click on Python console. Here you will find the IP address and copy this IP address and open any browser. So in UI dashboard, a LED control button is visible. You can control onboard LED through this button. So now let's try example number 3, weather station. If you want to edit and add something in code, so click on copy and edit app It will automatically generate a new file for you. If you want to see the weather forecast on Matrix LED, you need to type the name of the city. First, I will test the weather of Delhi city, type the name and click on Run button. And you can see in onboard Matrix LED a rain shower is showing. It rained in Delhi today on the 18th, so it is showing the rain pattern on the Matrix LED. Now try another city, Moradabad. So for Moradabad also showing same pattern. I cannot show all the example in just one video. For that, I will make the another video in which I will cover all the remaining example. That's all for today's. If you are new on the channel, please do subscribe. We are going to bring some interesting video in the future video.